Hey guys, this is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes on another new construction video. And this community is called Dove Lake, and it is built by Century Communities in Grayson, Georgia. Grayson is that small city that's tucked in between Loganville and Snellville on the east side of Gwinnett. And this is a banger. This is a great community for several reasons. Well, one, because these homes are a great starter home type size. And what I mean by that is a lot of these are 4-bedroom and some 5-bedroom homes. There are no 3-bedroom single family homes, and the square footage is in the mid 2,500 range. So that is perfect for an entry-level home for a family. Another good reason about this Dove Lake community is that it is zoned for Grayson High School. If you know anything about the schools in Gwinnett, there are some of the best schools in all of Metro Atlanta found in Gwinnett County. On the east side, there are not as many great high-ranking schools, but Grayson High School and really Grayson Elementary and Bay Creek Middle School are top schools and some of the best if you just include the ones and compare them to the rest of east side Gwinnett County. The other thing, last but not least, if you're an investor and you're wanting to buy and rent out, well, you're in luck because the whole entire community allows rentals. Sometimes there is a rental cap that builders put where, for example, 30% of the homes are allowed to be rented out, but no more than that. But this one, you can rent out any of them. There is no limitation. Also, if you want to take a look at some of the floor plans, well, they've got some move-in ready 30-day quick close homes right now, lots 27 and lot 30, for example. And lot 30 is the lowest price home right now for $419,990. This is the Atlas floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's got 2,400 square feet, and it's already got an incentive in place, which is why that price is so low. Huge incentive, and again, these are for fourth quarter homes. So if you close on this home on lot 30 or lot 27 by December 31st, you can lock in this incentive with this awesome price. Then you've got other lots that are planning to be built out and completed early in Q1 of next year. Lots of awesome things here. You can see the community with the different types of layouts and the exterior siding. Some of them have brick. There's one that I absolutely love, although it is already sold. It's a 5-bedroom house. This one that's got the brown shutters. It's spectacular. And the lot sizes about this community are also appealing. If you know anything about new construction, a lot of times the lot sizes are really small on these new construction homes, but you can see here I've done a video where you can see the gap between the two houses, and it's a pretty fairly wide gap where you've got the grass where you could walk to the back of the house, and really it's plenty of room to be able to walk back there. Whereas some homes, I've seen some communities like Ashton Woods Encore in Duluth, where you could stick your hand out and extend it out and you can touch your neighbor's house. It's that close. But these, not so much. So you've got the space, and you've got a great school district, and you've got great floor plans, and you can rent it out if you're an investor, or even if you're a primary resident, you could later rent it out if you decide to move and buy a second home. So awesome homes. And guys, there's a total of 90 lots. There is still 61 available, so there's plenty to choose from. If you are interested in one of these homes and you need buyer representation, I can be of service to you. Some people believe that you can go directly to the builder, but the great thing is I work with clients, not just with resale, but also clients who are buying new construction, and it is to your advantage because there's no commission that you pay to me. The builder pays my commission. So you're getting an extra pair of eyes with a professional opinion to be able to help you with getting a contractor, inspector, an appraiser, a lender, be able to look over the contract, be able to choose and negotiate on different things, because sometimes you can, believe it or not, with new construction, and it also is dependent on the market. So there's a lot that goes into new construction. You can check out part 1 and part 2 of the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home, where I did these 2 videos that cover the entire process very thoroughly, because there is a lot that goes into new construction, like I said. So anyway, take a look at this model home tour that I've got. So stick around because you're going to get to see the insides of this model home. And it is almost verbatim. Everything that you see there is what you will get for lot 30, except for some of the black shiplap siding that is on the interior where it covers the fireplace, and then one of the rooms upstairs that has like a black painted wallpaper. Those things are not standard. They're only in the model home. But other than that, everything that you see there, the kitchen, the island, the granite countertops, the white shaker cabinets, the updated hardwood flooring, as well as the upstairs bedrooms and bathrooms, all that is what you can expect. So until then, like and subscribe, check out this model home tour, and catch you on the next video.